Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do something a little bit different in this video, and I am going to give a shout out to, or I am going to tell you guys some of the smaller YouTube channels that I enjoy. I think it's important to support smaller YouTube channels, but I also feel that it's even more important to share YouTube channels that I've actually connected with. I mean, I watch a lot of smaller YouTube channels, but these YouTube channels are specifically people that I have connected with on some sort of a personal level, personal vibe, spirit animal sort of a thing. And I just kind of want to give them a shout out because I do think that they deserve recognition. I do think that, you know, that they are struggling small YouTubers like myself, and I would just like to put their name out there if you guys would like to go check them out. They would appreciate it. And these are just kind of my recommendations for the smaller YouTube channels. Now, there are actually two YouTube channels that are kind of bigger YouTube channels. I do want to give them shout outs. These top two that I'm going to name, they aren't necessarily people I go to when I first upload, but when I have free time, they are the first videos I like to watch. So sometimes, you know, I might go a week without being able to watch them, but I will then just binge them back to back. And I will also, just in case I butcher these names, I will put them up on the screen just so you guys have the proper spelling of them. But the first two I am going to mention are Abadabs. She is an unboxing channel, and I don't know, I think she's funny, and I like watching everything that she unboxes. And then the second one is Alexandria Ryan. She is just hilarious. I absolutely love her content. I like to binge watch her when I'm in the gym on the treadmill because who doesn't like a good funny video when they are on the treadmill? So with that being said, I'm going to go into naming some others that are small, and I hope you guys check them out. So the next one I'm going to name is April and Fam, and she just kind of does lifestyle vlogs. She does lifestyle vlogs. She does keto vlogs. If you're into food and things like that, she really concentrates on keto recipes, the keto diet, which isn't necessarily my thing, but the food aspect of it is my thing. And I don't know, I think she's just kind of cool and laid back, and I like to watch her. The next person is Darissa Rain, and I am always afraid of slaughtering her name, so I just call her her nickname, which is Riri, and it's just so much easier to say, but I will put it on the screen just in case I did slaughter that. But I don't know, I feel like I connect with her, and I'm probably gonna say that a lot because I feel that way about most of these people, but she is a beauty blogger, she's a model, and I don't know, I just feel like she's really laid back and sweet. The next person is Gab and Glam. So Gab and Glam, I found her on YouTube, and she does amazing cut creases. I mean, I can't do cut creases. I fail time and time again at cut creases. And I just really like sitting back, chilling, and watching her do her cut creases. On that same note of cut creases, I want to mention Manders Beauty. She also does really pretty cut creases, and those two I mainly watch for their cut crease content just because I think it's amazing how they pull it off. I can't do it. I'm in the boat where I wish I could, but I can't. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about them. Next is Heather Kaline. She also does makeup. She does some unboxings. I don't know. I think she's just really cool. And I think you should check her out. I think she has a very sweet personality. She has a bubbly personality. So I don't know. I just enjoy her content. The next person I'm going to mention is Hello Amy Cat. And again, she's just cool. She does hauls. She does like drugstore hauls or smaller like dollar store hauls, things of that nature. And I've only been following her for a short time, but I do enjoy her content. I think she's cool and, you know, just kind of laid back. And I'm probably gonna say that if you can't tell, that's kind of my style, cool and laid back. Next, also cool and laid back, Jamie B. She hasn't uploaded in a while, but when she does, I really like her comment. She's just very chill. Next, I'm going to mention Jess Gus. I don't know. I think she's just really sweet. I think that, she unboxes. That's what she does. She also unboxes like I do. And I don't know, I just find her really sweet. So she's very soft-spoken and, you know, sometimes I have to crank my volume all the way up when I'm on the treadmill watching her, but she's just, I don't know, she's just a really sweet lady. I like her a lot. The next person I'm going to mention is Ann MUA. And she's really about lives. She loves to do lives. She loves to connect YouTubers with other YouTubers. It's like, I feel like that is her drive, is to help other YouTubers grow. And I really appreciate her for that. She does do a lot of lives. I would say that she is more geared toward other small YouTubers, but she does put other content up. She does do makeup sometimes. She is a makeup artist, so she does do makeup and she reviews palettes and stuff like that. But I want to say that mostly she goes live, and I don't know, I just think that's a really cool aspect to her. I think that she is really sweet for wanting to help other small YouTubers grow. And she's all about, you know, just helping. So the next person I am going to mention is, and I'm probably going to slaughter this, but Leah MacDonald. I have it written down because I'm just so bad with pronouncing names. So again, I will put that on the screen. And you know, she's just really cool and laid back. And she also does makeup, and she does like her top 5s and, you know, shop my stash and stuff like that. So I don't know, I just really enjoy watching her too. The next person is Manders Beauty, and I don't know, she just, Manders Beauty does makeup, and you know, she does get ready with me. She'll do like a mask Monday where she'll go live and do a face mask and just kind of chat it up with everybody. So I don't know, I think she's really cool too. And the next person I am going to mention is Maureen McD, or Maureen. I think I'm pronouncing that right. God, I really hope I'm not slaughtering your guys' names. That's what made me nervous to do this video, is the fact that I would get on here and just slaughter your guys' names. I'm sorry. Anyway, Maureen also does unboxings. So, and she just, if I'm not mistaken, I believe she just hit the 750 mark, and she just did a giveaway. So, congratulations to Maureen. props. And then the last person I am going to mention is also a very large YouTuber, but I just find him so funny, so funny. Now I will preface this with his content is adult content, so if you are under the age of 18, make sure that just don't. If you're under 18, just don't. But if you like a little lewd, crude comedy on the side with a side of reviews, Pop Lux, he is, I don't know. I just laugh and laugh and laugh. He makes the crudest jokes while he is doing his makeup. And I don't know, I don't know, he's funny. He's just so funny. I don't know what else to say other than he's just freaking hilarious. So that is going to be my shout out video for the day, or for whatever, not necessarily for the day because I don't do this daily, but whatever. This is my shout out video, and these are people that I feel like I just really connect with. You know, like I said, there are other smaller channels that I do watch, but I didn't want to sit here and be listing for days and days and days. So I just wanted to give a shout out to those that I just felt some sort of connection with. I don't know. I just felt it was the right thing to do. I felt like, you know, these YouTubers work really hard, and they push out content that we enjoy, and I just thought that I should give them a shout out. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go and give my friends a gander, if you will. I call them my friends. I don't really know them in person, but I feel like I've connected with them on some sort of a level. So go say hi to them and let them know I sent you. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.